If you are looking for a pleasant way to lose weight, pay attention. Here are the top 7 benefits of drinking smoothies for losing weight. When it comes to weight loss, there are many different approaches that you can take. Some people prefer to go the more traditional route of cutting calories and exercising more, while others look for more creative ways to lose weight. If you're looking for a way to help you shed those extra pounds, you definitely should want to consider adding smoothies to your diet. Smoothies are a great way to lose weight, because they're packed with nutrients and they're very filling. So here are 7 benefits of drinking smoothies for weight loss. 1. Smoothies are very nutrient dense. When you're trying to lose weight, you want to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients your body needs. Smoothies are a great way to get a lot of nutrients in one drink. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. Smoothies are low in calories. If you're watching your calorie intake, smoothies can be a great option. They're typically lower in calories than other types of drinks. 3. Smoothies help you stay hydrated. It's important to stay hydrated when you're trying to lose weight. Drinking plenty of water can help boost your metabolism and help your body burn more calories. Smoothies are also a great way to stay hydrated, because they're made with water or milk. 4. Smoothies are filling. When you're trying to lose weight, it's important to make sure you're not always hungry. Smoothies can help you feel full and satisfied. They're a great option for a snack or a meal replacement. 5. Smoothies boost your metabolism. Drinking a smoothie can help give your metabolism a boost. Smoothies are made with fresh fruits and vegetables, which are high in fiber. Fiber helps to speed up your metabolism. 6. Smoothies help you detox. If you're looking for a way to detox your body, smoothies can help. They're made with fresh fruits and vegetables, which are high in antioxidants and vitamins. Antioxidants help to remove toxins from your body. 7. Smoothies are fun to make. One of the best things about smoothies is that they're fun to make. You can experiment with different ingredients to find the perfect combination for you. You can also add different toppings to your smoothie to make it more fun. Delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health. Link in the description. Thank you for watching.